Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. And if you're here for the first time, I am Melda. God bless you and you are welcome. So today I'm preparing for my family corned beef salad sandwiches. We are having it on French bread. If you want to see how I achieve this, then I suggest you continue watching. Let's do it. I'm using 4 colors of bell pepper today. Normally when I make this, I use 1. But since I have all 4, I'm working them. Guess what I'm doing? I'm still bringing the restaurant home. God bless you. I love it just like this. Now remember, my recipes are not gospel. Feel free to add, multiply, subtract, or divide. Just use them as a guide. God bless you. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, share it out, leave a comment. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to hit the notification bell. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one.